Maybe that helps. We'll see. Let's see. Need to hit the windshield wipers too. There we go. Knock some of the snow off of that. Welcome to 2022. My third winter in New Mexico, living at 7,000 feet where it gets cold. It's about 22 degrees right now. And snowing, it's been snowing, it's still snowing, and I want to take some pictures of it. So right now I'm trying to figure out how I can get some pictures without getting snow and slush all over my camera. Also, practicing with a new camera for the blogging side, or vlogging side, whatever you call it. Got it going right now. Hello, everybody. Alright, so it's New Year's 2022, and this is Mountaintop Bob. Welcome to my channel, New Mexico Outdoors with Mountaintop Bob. And this is how I'm spending my day. Sitting out here in my truck on my property, looking at the only and biggest real tree on my property. I got some large bushes, I guess maybe you could call trees, but that's the best one I got that's actually on my property. And I've been watching all morning, and the birds have been flying in and out. And I don't know what's going to happen. Right now we have a complete total whiteout. I'm going to let the window down so you can kind of check that out. As you can see, there's a complete whiteout out there. So, but I think it's a good opportunity for some good photography as long as I stay in the truck. Let's see what happens. It's gonna be a timber. Really? This is gonna be fun to watch. And I didn't think I was gonna get a video today. Wonder how long before that ice falls into my truck. Here we go. No, the wind's gonna hit it. Hey, I seen a raven out there too flying. The day's looking up. As soon as that ice gets out of my window, I got another one back here too. I'm gonna spin around and watch the ice fall out of it in a minute. Should I help it? Make sure my other camera's out of the danger zone. I think it is. It's all nice and dry back there. Getting ready to take some video. Oh, it's clearing up a little bit. I can see the mesa. We were in a whiteout. All kinds of red stuff popping up on this telephone, this phone camera. I hope it's videoing this stuff. I really want this ice when it falls in my truck to be on video. I ought to go reach over and poke it, but I ain't gonna. I just have to wait like I'm waiting. Come on, baby. Crash. It's gonna do it. Oh, there it went. Luckily, I have a towel over here. Oops. And it's under one of the legs. There we go. Sorry about that. Ooh, another little hole over on the side fell in. Oh! It's a good thing this is my truck. If I was doing this on Susie's Jeep, she'd have a fit. Yep, it's January 1, 2022. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I've been watching it snow since about 5 o'clock yesterday afternoon. I don't remember. We didn't really stay up for celebrate the New Year's. But my understanding is whatever you do on New Year's, you do the rest of the year. So there's 3 main things I want to do today. Well, actually 4 main things I want to do today. One is definitely shoot videos. So I'll be doing videos for YouTube all year. to spend quality time with my wife, which that's already started, and will continue as the day progresses. And play with my new hound dog, Boss Man, my Catahoula cur with the big C on his chest. That's already occurred today. Got to keep that old boy tired out, or you can't handle him. He's been a handful. He's been a lot of fun. He's really a fast learner. Looking forward to having him in my life for the next years to come. And finally, last but not least, we were able to actually take on a decorator out of Albuquerque. So I can, it's kind of a side hustle, and kind of beefs up my retirement here in New Mexico. So I want to work some today. So I want to be able to work out here and make a little extra loot. Maybe I can spend it on camera equipment, this and that. So that's the plan. Hang out, tag along. Get another camera out here in a moment, and going to be shooting video out of both windows. See how it goes. I'm not going to let the camera get too wet, but it's looking up. Right off the bat, I want to get some photographs of that tree right there. All that snow hanging in. I want to see what I can do with that. So stand by. Let me get set up.